This project, this album means an awful lot to me because I've been singing these songs since I was really young, like at 10, 11, and to make this album now at this stage in my life and my musical career has been very rewarding, and I'm delighted with it. Iníon is an album of 9 songs, sean-nós, oscailge, amhrán oscailge, and some traditional songs in English as well. And Iníon means daughter. I suppose I called it Iníon because I feel like I'm somehow passing on the tradition, and so grateful for the tradition that's been passed on to me.
Do you remember Lord Gregory, that night in Capricorn we exchanged?
The challenge for me was to merge the tradition with my own curiosity with more contemporary music. So I have these fantastic collaborators involved in the album, and there's clarinet and cello and piano and drums. We had to go and find what it was that would work for these songs that are traditionally unaccompanied.
And mine was but one cent. Do you remember?
In my band, my usual band with my more original songwriting, Brian Walsh is on drums, so Brian joins me for this project as well. And I have Matthew Beryl, who's a wonderful clarinet player, involved, and Mary Barnacle on cello, and Céimean Gilmore was involved in some of the arranging as well. And we had a great time recording the album last November in Dublin. I became interested in electronics during the lockdown, kind of my own project, and I incorporated that into one of the songs, Éamon na Cnoic, and worked on some of the other ideas on this as well. The artwork is very special. Hazel Kuna was involved in that, and I saw her work and thought it was amazing. She embroiders with photographs, and to me it just encapsulates what the album is, a kind of one hand to the tradition and one hand passing on something new. I hope people take just, I suppose, a fresh angle on these songs, and that it'll open sean-nós and traditional singing up to people who may not have been so interested in it before. It's a beautiful tradition of singing, so rich, and so many people are more interested, I think, in sean-nós and traditional song these days, so I hope people enjoy the album.